Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, today we continue with our exploration of division with two-digit divisors. As I've said many times, all you're required to know at the end of my class is division with a two-digit divisor. Now, that's all you're required to know. I'm probably going to do like 7-digit divisors for you, just because I want you to learn. I already wrote the multiples of 45 there for you. What a nice man you are.
Yes, very nice.
Alright, so I'm going to rewrite the problem like a normal person would write it. Not like a non-normal person would write it.
What is that way?
I don't know. Now, I ask myself, self, will 45 go into 6? Myself says?
No.
I ask myself, self, will 45 go into 167? Myself says?
Yes.
So I'm going to have a 3-digit quotient. Does it have a remainder? I don't know, maybe, I don't know. Could be.
Yes.
Does 45 go into 67? We already said yes, so now I go look at my multiplies. 45, 90, 135. Oh! 90 is too big, so it must be 45 times 1, which is 45. Subtract, and I get 22. And I bring down the 4. Now I ask myself, self, will 45 go into 224? Myself says?
Yes.
So now I go over here and I look at my multiples of 45. And I see 45, 90, 135, 180, 220. Oh, 225 is too big. So I must go with 180. 45 times 4 is 180. So my 4 is my second digit up here, my tens place. And I know 45 times 4 is 180. That's 44. And I bring down the next number.
I have a question.
Yes.
That one, 405 is smaller than 442. So how will we know the next one?
Because we're trying to get as close as we can without going over.
Yeah.
So it has to be smaller.
Oh.
Now I go back and I look at it and I have 442. And 45 will go into 442, so I go back over here and I look at my multiples. 45, 90, 135, 180. This is the song we played at my wedding. 225, 270, 315, 360, 405, and I don't need to do the next one because I can only put one digit up here at a time. So it has to be 9, which makes this a 9, and this is 405. And that would have 8. Remainder 38.
Wait, what? I thought it was 37.
What?
8, 9, 10, oh, yeah, it is 37, huh? Okay, stop yelling at me. I got it wrong. I asked myself, and myself lied to me. Never trust yourself.
Never, ever.
Yourself tells you stories on yourself. Now we have the problem 249 divided by 18. I'm going to write it like a normal person. Not some other cattywampus way that people just make up on their own. Now I'm going to look at, does 18 go into 2?
No.
Self, does 18 go into 24?
Yes.
Myself says?
Yes.
I go over here and I look at my multiples. I have 18, 36. 36 is too big. So it must be 18 times 1. I'm going to have a 2-digit quotient. I go back because I don't know what 18 times 1 is. Oh, look, 18 times 1 is 18. And so that's 18. I subtract and I get 6.
6. Bring down the 9.
And I bring down the 9. Then I have to ask myself, self, does 18 go into 69?
Yes.
Yes. And I go back over here and I look. 18, 36, 54, 70. Oh, 72 is too big. So it must be 18 times 3 is 54.
It equals 15.
And I have 13 remainder 15.
Yay.
I got this time.
Boom! Shakalaka. Peace out. God bless. Love you. Do something kind today. Save the bees.